Hey guys, today we have an unboxing from the cubicle.us. Let's get into it. Here are cubes. This is the Yushin Little Magic 4x4M. I don't know if you can read that. We have that, and we have the Angstrom GAN X. And the receipt and a business card. This is a new one. I have not seen this before. Okay, let's get into the 4x4 first. Here it is. There's no plastic wrap, but that doesn't seem to be a problem. The size is already really good because I've been using the Wuchwei before this and it's died, but it's still good, and that's why I have this now. Oops, I just did first turns. Wow, that is really good. You can feel the magnets when you turn slow, but when you're turning fast, you can't feel them. Yeah, this is already my main, which is good, since I was hoping for it to become my main. Because the thing with the Wuchwei is that it pops a lot, and I've lost multiple pieces, so now this is finally retired, and this is my new main. Yeah, corner cutting's decent. Anyway, this is going to be helpful to get my times to sub 1, as I currently average just above sub 1. So yeah, let's put this back in the box. And let's get into the exciting puzzle, my new main 3x3. So this is my first Angstrom puzzle. Okay, we have GES nuts and replaceable magnets, which is a first for me since I was using the SM before this. So this is the first new GES system for me. I've also never tried a GAN X, or a 3x4, or a 460. So this will be a first. This does have plastic wrap. Okay. Here's the cube. The shades are very nice, and we have the Angstrom logo right there. Let's get into first turns. Okay, wow, that is a different feeling. Yeah, that feels really good. Yeah, instant main, as expected. Let's try corner cutting. Oh yeah. This will corner cut from anywhere. Well, you are getting what you paid for. Yeah, really nice cube so far. I'll come up with a review soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, new main out of the box. So that was it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you later. Bye.